Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm back with the bonus love reads. This is going to be for the sign of Leo. So let's see what is up for Leos for this reading. In this reading, basically what we're going to do is we're going to tap into the current energies of the person that you are dealing with. We're going to see what is going on in their life right now. What is it that they're heavily thinking about? What is it that they are heavily investing themselves into right now? What is going on in their mind? All that is happening in their life right now. Then we're going to see what do they think of you, how do they see you in current circumstances right now between the two of you. What is their take on the connection, what is their take on their relationship with you. Then we're going to see some messages coming from them to you, and then some oracle guidance as well as we proceed forward using the Lovers Oracle deck. So stay tuned, and while I shuffle the cards, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. Always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest for personal readings. You can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So yeah, let's start the read. Let's find out what is your person's current energies. What is it that they are doing in their life right now? What is on their mind? Let's begin. The Emperor. They are getting back in their power. It's more like, somebody who's this person could be working on building themselves in terms of finances, like they are working on their career goals or something to have for themselves, which is going to set them free from any sort of dependency that they might have still right now in their life on other people. They are basically working to get independent in all possible ways, where they are no longer in the need of taking approval from other people. So your person, whoever it is that you are dealing with, they are working on their stability, their confidence, their independence. They might be working very hard to earn that success, that position for themselves, where they don't have to be on the they want to be on the top of the game. So that's what they are working towards. That's their prime focus right now. They are trying to be the one, in whatever it is that they are doing right now in their life. So this person is also busy taking care of the family as well. For some of you, you could be dealing with a person who is already married. If that's the case, this person is pretty much taking care of their family. In others way too, I don't think, if this person is single right now, that then too this person is somebody who's taken the responsibility of their family in one way or other. Maybe they are the eldest in the family, so they are taking care of the family members and everybody involved in their life right now. So this person is somebody who's very definitely family oriented kind of a person, somebody who, whether they invest into the family, emotional investment is there or not, but yes, they do make sure that everything is going well in everybody's life. So that's them. A father figure kind of a person is what I'm picking up. Somebody who's very responsible when it comes to taking responsibilities of the ones that they love. Maybe right now you might be thinking, when it comes to our connection, they never take responsibility of it. Maybe they don't own you as of now, but if they will make sure everything happens perfect for you in your life as well. So that's them. Let's see one more card for their energy. They are taking a lot of stress around, whatever it is that they are dealing with in their family life. I feel like their prime focus right now is their family life. Let me pull one card from the middle of the deck. Yes, their prime focus right now is their family life. There are certain decisions that they want to take, but they are not taking because they are the one responsible for everything happening in their family right now. For some of you, this person could be the eldest in the family, like I said earlier. So that's the reason they have a lot of responsibilities on their shoulders. There are certain decisions that they are pending right now just because they cannot make the decision on their own. They have to see for everybody else if that decision affects other people or not. So that's them. It doesn't have to be there are certain decisions that they have to make. It doesn't have to be directly connected to you. We are going to find that out. What this person thinking of you right now, then only we will find this energy regards is regarding you or the connection, or it is something else that is going on in their life. But yes, this person is right now feeling pretty much in balance. They are trying to have that balance maintained right now. This person has achieved that something goal or whatever it is that they were wishing for or they were working towards. Now they are trying to maintain the balance there, where they have to make certain rough decisions as well, and they are trying to cope with that. Now let's see, how do they see you right now? What is it that they feel for you? How do they see you? How do they feel for the connection that they have with you? Let's tap into their energy regarding your connection with them. You are their wish fulfillment. You are their happiness. You are the one that they want. You are the one that they need. You are the one that they feel good about. You are the one that makes them feel like, on top of everything. You pamper this person a lot with with your love, with your care, with your affection. No doubt, this person could be a masculine energy, but still you pamper them more than they pamper you. You are somebody who makes them feel loved most of the time, and this one thing about you is something that they feel like, I want this person. I want somebody in my life who is like you. I want you in my life. So that's them. They really see you as their wish fulfillment. You are the one that they would love to settle down with, for sure. Let's see more cards here. Queen of Swords. They did, I feel like, they do have some issues when it comes to the way you speak, the words you speak. They do see you as a dominant person. Maybe in the other areas of their life, they are the most dominant one. When it comes to the love and relationships, they do see you as a dominant person or intimidating, in the love life situation. They do see that you always, have lots of things to say and lots of, words to speak. But yes, they do see you as they're the one, for sure. There's no doubt around it. But this person really loves you, wants to be with you, because they do see that nobody else in the world can love them, pamper them the way you do. So this person is now definitely very clear about it. They do feel that for you. And let's see one last card here. Page of Cups. But they are because of the words, because of the fights, maybe because of the arguments that you have with this person, they are unsure, shall they come forward to, express their love to you or not. They might have not expressed their love for you in recent times, but they have strong emotions for you. They would love to come forward to express their love. They would love to come forward to show that, this is what they see with you. Let's see why they are not coming forward then. Divine timing. It will happen eventually. This person is going to come forward, offer the cup of love to you, for sure. There's no question or doubt around it, because this person is not ready to, fuck around. This person is somebody who's very mature. They know what they want, and now they want you, for sure. But yes, their decision is taking some time, but it will happen. They will finally come out of it and choose you over anything else. Let's see, what do they secretly want you to know? What is their message for you? What do they want you to know? What is their message? And then we're going to tap into the oracle message around this whole situation with your loved one. Let's see. What do they want you to know secretly? They are feeling left alone. Hold on. Well, yeah, I feel like, this person really wants you to know that they are not happy without you. They do feel left alone. They have nobody of their own. They might be taking care of everybody in their life, but they are not happy and fulfilled, definitely. So they really want you to know that. Then they really want you to know that they are trying to have some clarity around certain situations. And the more they are having the clarity, the more they are feeling like, getting with you. But at the same time, it's this person really wants you to know, just give me some more time and I will be coming forward, because you are my wish fulfillment. They really, it seems like, it's a time when they are having awakening around you and them. It's more like, I feel like, with this person and their attitude and the energies that are showing here, it seems like, they might have not taken you the way you have always taken them. They always felt like, this is like any other connection. But then after having this, ages spent with you, this person now realized that you are their wish fulfillment. Nobody in the world can love them the way you do. Nobody cares for them the way you do. That's why they're feeling left alone. Without you, they do feel that there's nothing in their life. They are having that clarity now. So it's more like, they are trying to make their decision. The universe is helping the two of you to come together, for sure, in this particular situation. Let's take one last card. What else do they want you to know? They have strong love for you, and they are getting the clarity around. Right now they are holding themselves back, because they are making a decision around you and the connection that they have with you. You might be in no communication with this person, for sure, because the energies are evolving from this person's end, where you are very clear in your spot. So this person is really trying to have the clarity. Do they really love you? Because that's something that they never thought about. Let's see what the oracle guidance is around this situation. Let's see what the oracle message is for the two of you and the connection that you have with your specific someone. Wow, beautiful energies. I feel like, this person is going to open up about their love and feelings for you very soon. So yeah, let's see what the Oracle Guidance has to add to the reading. Wow. A message for you. I'm thinking of you this very moment. Your love fills me with light. I love you. So definitely this person is feeling the love for you now. They, maybe you have left them, maybe they have pushed you away, but whatever the case has happened, this person is now thinking of the love that you had for them. Every time they think of you, they feel how much loved they were by you, and that's gonna make them crave for you and the love that you always used to shower them with. I feel like this person is going to come forward to you very soon, because they know that you are their wish fulfillment for sure. So things gonna change very quickly in this connection. Just the only thing that is left to happen in this particular situation is them going with this clarity that they are getting right now. In the past maybe they never had the clarity. Now they have the clarity. It's high time that they make a decision based on this clarity now, and I don't think that's gonna take long. Let's see more cards underneath that. Four of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles. Things are moving slow, but they are definitely surely moving in the right direction for the two of you. So yeah, this message is coming up for you for this love reading. If the reading resonates with you, do like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.